If I get you, don't overreact, please.
Are you getting a video?
If I get a video of any of you guys, don't overreact. Give me a torture.
I will try to stay out of your way.
Okay, like right at this point, I don't really care.
Okay, listen. Let me know when you're doing it. And
I'm doing it right now.
Oh.
I got a bit of you and probably a bit of them. I'm not. Oh, chill. At least I'm getting the back side, not the front side. Do not cross fence. Well, obviously, that's what fences are for, isn't it? God, how long is this long video gonna be? I don't even know. Oh yeah, I can hear it even. I can hear it even in the car, I think. It's already 1 minute video in 5 seconds. That's pretty. Oh, look at that out there. Try to look at that. Ow. Oh. Oh. I'm good. I'm good. I'm good. Alright, it's over.
Okay. Do you want to take the express down?
Yes.
Well,
Wait, guys. I'll smack you.